In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Play Store and download all apps you wanna set up as your new defaults. In my case, Firefox browser. With all of your apps ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to hit Apps available here. Select Default Apps under App Cloner and tap on one of those sections you wanna manage. I will go with Browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on my new browser, which is Firefox, and tap on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my new app was successfully applied as a default one. If you ever wanna go back, enter the same section and click on your previous app. Then tap on the back button, and every time all of your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!